Hello, everyone. For the lectures, we already learned how to convert the pneumatic logic circuit to the electrical control relay logic. So we have these two diagrams for the control relay logic. So this video, I will show you how to wire them and to verify the results, if the results are the same with our observation from the pneumatic system. So for the first one, we have the P6 in normally closed push button, and we have the P2 and P4 in parallel, and we have the control relay CR1, and then we have the latch for CR1-1, and we use another pole to control the cylinder C1. We use the pilot light to replace the C1. Okay. The second one, we have the P6 normally closed and P2 and P4 in series. Okay. Let's do the first one. So I have the power supply connect to the normally closed. You can choose any one. Okay. I choose this one. And for the first line, P6 come out from P6 and come to the P2. We use this one as P2, okay? And the P2 will come to the control relay. So we need to choose one banana and one alligator. So P2 will come to the control relay, positive. And the control relay come back to the common. The black terminal, come to the common. So we can check, press the PB1, the control relay is activated. So let's do the second line, the P4. For the P4, which is in parallel with the P2, so we grabbed two leads, separate, and plug in the P2 two terminals, and come to the P4. So let's verify P2 or P4. Okay, it's activated. It's activated, so it's good. So we need to realize the latch. We need to grab another two leads. This is in parallel, okay? We do the same thing. These two leads should be, one end is the banana, one end is the alligator. Okay, so we use the banana end, plug into the P2, two leads, okay? Plug into in parallel with P2, okay? And the other end come to the one pulse of the control relay. So I get it clearly, okay? The larger. So this is in parallel, connect to the one pulse of the control relay, okay? And then we have to verify the result. When we press P2 and P4 or P4, the control relay should be on, okay, maintain on, okay? So it's correct. When we press stop P6 and when press P4, maintain on, okay, this is different. So let's use another pole of the control relay to control the output. So we need to have another lead to connect with the another pulse of the control relay. So we have the power from here to the another post of the control relay. One of them, I use this one, and the other end is the control to the connect to the pilot. So I used this pole come to the power, and this connect to the pilot. So let's press P2 or P4. The pilot should be on, keep on. And then we press P6. The pilot should be off. Okay, so let's do it. So P2, pilot is on. When I press P6, pilot is off. When I press P4, pilot is on. And press P6, power is off. Pilot is off. So this wire is correct. So I will be come to you clearly for the control relay. This is the first we use to activate the control relay. We use one pole of them to reunite the latch, one pole of them to control the output. So this is the first wire diagram we have. And the second one, it's we just needed to adjust P2 and P4 in series. So I have this for the latch. I will take it. Okay. And I take this in parallel, switch to the in series. So I take that. I can do it again, okay? So our power on the trainer, for you need to power off, and after I checked the wiring, and you can power on to see the results. So first we come from the power supply to the P6, normally closed P6. P6 come out to the P2, okay? From this one, okay? P2 in series with the P4. So P2 come to another push, normal open push button, and then come out to the relay. So we need to have this. In series, okay, to the power positive terminal, and the black one come to the common. So let's verify if it works. When I press P2, no response, no results, what we can observe. And when I press P4, nothing. However, when we press P2 and P4 together, the control relay is activated. So which means the wire is correct. So now we need to use one pulse of the control relay to reunite the latch. Because now control relay just spark. Let's see that. When I press P2 and P4, control relay cannot maintain on because we don't have the latch yet. So we can have the latch by in parallel with P2 and P4. So how to do that? So I grabbed two wires. One end is banana, another end is the alligator. So for the latch we connect it between this one. This is, should be the connect to the P6. Okay, this is P6 we connect. Okay, and another one is connect to the P4. Okay, the outer one connect to the control relay. So this is the terminal, and these two cables come to the control relay. One of the poles of the control relay. Okay, come to here. Let's go closer. So one pulse of the come to here. Okay, control relay, and let's press P2 and P4 together. So the pilot is maintained on, and when we press P6, it's stopped. So it's good for the first line of the wiring. And we use another pulse of the control relay to control the output. So I have the two indicators. One is connect to the power to the another pole, and another pole come to the pilot. Okay, something in there on. Because I connected wrong of the terminal, so that's why. I can go closer to here. Because I connect to the normally closed terminal. It's wrong. Should be connected here, okay? For this control relay, we leave 4 poles of normally open and 1 pole of the normally closed. Basically, they have 4 normally closed poles. They will make you mess up. So we just leave the one normally closed. I just make a mistake to connect to the normally closed. So that's why the pilot is on. So now we can press P2 and P4 together. Pilot is on, which means the system is running. When we press P6, power is off. So that's all for the wiring for 2 control logic circuit. So you can follow this instruction to make a practice on your own. Thank you.